All right, I'm going to work on a 5D problem, a problem using the 5D problem solving process. So this was one about consecutive numbers. So we've got three consecutive numbers have a sum of 2,166. What are the three numbers? So I've started the table and I've listed the 5 steps of the 5D process. We got to start with describe and draw. What do we know? I got three consecutive numbers, and one way to set that up is I have one number, I don't know what it is, x, and I've got x plus 1. That's the second number, right? And the third number would be x plus 2. Those are my three consecutive numbers. And I know that it equals 2166. So I can add these together, and it's going to equal 2166. That's about what I've got. I mean, it's only one sentence problem, so that's what I got. So what am I trying to define? What am I trying to figure out? I'm trying to figure out my three numbers. I got x plus 1, and I got x plus 2. What am I trying to do? I'm going to add them together, right? X plus 1 plus x plus 2 should equal 2166. Okay? I'm going to set that up that way. Now I need to try and use this guess and check process to solve it. So I'm going to make a good educated guess because I know that 2166, three consecutive numbers would have to be in order, right? Like 600, 601, 602, 900, 901, 902. Well, 2100 divided by 3 is 700. So it must be in the 700s somewhere. Uh, so I'm going to try 720. Okay. So I'm making a good educated first guess, so I don't have to do a lot of guessing around. So I'm going to guess 720. So if that's the first number, the second number is 720 plus 1, which is 721. And the third number is 720 plus 2, which is 722. So now I can add them together, and I like to circle my numbers because there's a lot happening here. So I add all three numbers together. I've got 720 plus 721 plus 722. And that equals, let's figure this out, 720, 2163. So that is too low. Okay, so I'm going to guess a little bit higher, but I'm super close. So let's just do 722. 722, if that's my first number, it's 722 plus 1, which is 723. And my third number is 722 plus 2, which is 724. Again, I'll go ahead and circle my numbers so I know when I'm adding number 1, number 2, and number 3. So I've got 722 plus 723 plus 724. Let me see what that equals. Oh, 2169. Okay, 2169. So now I'm too high. Well, if it's not 720 and it's not 722, it's got to be 721. Okay, so let's just do that. 721. It's got to be this one. So 721 plus 1 is 722. 722 plus 2 is, oops, I made a mistake here. 721 plus 2 equals 723. So I got my three numbers, 721, 722, 723. I'm certain that it's got to be these. 721 plus 722 plus 723. But let's double check. 2166. So this is correct. 2166 is exactly what I wanted. So what am I declaring? My three numbers are 721, 722, and 723. And that is my declare. All right, hopefully that helped. Another example using the 5D problem